Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple but powerful tweak that can save you time and keep your whole team in the loop. Setting reply to all as your default action in Gmail's general settings. If you're tired of forgetting to include everyone in an email thread, or just want to make communicating easier, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and get your Gmail working smarter for you. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. It all starts here, the home for all your important emails, conversations, and daily communications. As soon as the app is open, look to the top left corner for the menu icon. That's the small 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap it. A list of options will slide out, giving you access to all the important sections of the app. Scroll down the menu until you find Settings. Tap on it. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your Gmail experience. Inside Settings, you may see multiple accounts if you have more than one email. Select the account you want to update. Next, search for the General Settings option. Once you find it, give it a tap. You're getting closer to changing how Gmail reacts every time you respond to a message. Within General Settings, locate the option labeled Default Reply Action. This is where you can choose how Gmail behaves whenever you hit reply on an email. By default, it's often set to just reply to the sender, but you can change this with just a tap. Now, simply pick Reply to All. Once you do this, Gmail will always include everyone on the original email when you reply. No more worrying about missing someone in the conversation. It's all automatic. And that's it. You've just streamlined your emailing process, making sure no one is left out of important replies. Whether it's for school, business, or keeping your friends in the know, this small setting makes a big difference. Stay tuned for more easy tech tips to help you get things done faster. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who's always sending emails. Thanks for watching.